Soy nuts are a great healthy alternative for a snack, but let me hip you to tiger nuts. Neither soy nuts nor tiger nuts are nuts at all. They're nut-free. Soy nuts are actually soybeans. Tiger nuts are little tiny tubers that grow under the ground, and they look like little chickpeas. What's great about tiger nuts is they have more than 4 times the protein, more than 1.5 times the iron, 15 times more manganese, and more vitamin E than soy. Soy has no vitamin E. They're nut, gluten, cholesterol, and dairy-free. They're vegetarian, vegan, organic, non-GMO. They have a resistant starch that's great for weight loss. They're great for the paleo diet, raw food, Whole30, and they're antibacterial, they're prebiotic, and they're great for your sex life. Tiger nuts are great for kids, adults, the elderly, athletes, people with celiac problems, and diabetes. Next time you're looking for a great snack, check out TigerNutsUSA.com for all their healthy and delicious products.